Hi, I'm Adam Summer. You're listening to the Yerushalmi Talk podcast with the support of the Yeshiva Dvar Yerushalayim in Har Nof, Jerusalem.
Nega Tzarat, Yeba Adam, Vuhu Va El Kohen. When the plague of leprosy comes upon a human being, he has to be brought to the priest. On the deeper level, we know that from all the sugya and what has been explained and what's not yet explained, we see that this is so evil. Hence the Chofetz Chaim, without publishing his name, published the Chofetz Chaim, as it's called, that book. Chofetz Chaim, who wants to have life? The Loshon Hara. The first thing is guard your tongue from evil. And on a deeper level, following the example of Yerushalmi as expounded now by Adam. So, really, the law of the Torah is that which can only be rectified by being Yosef Badad. He's got to have Badad. So today, the whole world is being plagued, as we say at night, in Hashkivenu. The first thing is, let us ask Hashem, remove the plague. And then come the others, what can come as well, other calamities. The Cherev, Rov, the Yogan. That's what we pray for. And now we are all experiencing a tzoras. We see the cause of it is Motzi Shemra, Motzira. The Torah is Motzira, it brings out evil. You know the evil in man. Instead of that, there's all attempt to be Motzi Tov. Only to think good, to speak good. How do we learn it? Isolate yourself, look into yourself. And look into your family. With your family, you are yourself the product of your parents, and you are producing children and grandchildren. Look what's happening in your family, which is part of you. You've got to look at your own self in front of Hashem, who we brought to the Kohen, who is the representative of Hashem in this world, and go in the opposite direction, and learn all Am Yisrael would learn this, that the human beings create to create a good world, to create a Gan Eden. The nega, which is now affecting all human beings, this plague should be transformed into onek, the same letters. If only all mankind would learn this lesson, what a marvelous place is this paradise we have on this earth. And what is destroying it? The human mind. Because our mind is created by Hashem. And the highest level of the mind is the neshama, which is the breath of Hashem. That's what it means. We have the breath of Hashem within us. We have to transform that to its true purpose. And then in Yetzer Hashem, we hope, since after all, we are part of the chosen people. Why we were chosen? Because of Abraham Avinu. In his terrible world, what did he do? He always sought chesed, loving kindness. The name of God in Hebrew The ineffable name is the cause, is the cause of all existence, and that is the Midat HaChesed. He is the biggest Baal HaChesed in the world, and he wants us to be part of his world, to be governed by him, to always pursue Chesed. Kol goyim savuni b'shem Hashem ki amilam. All the nations around me, but in the name of this Midat HaChesed of Hashem, I will cut them off. And then we say that whatever, carry on, the three phrases we call Agoyim. These are the three stages of Milchemet Gog uMagog, which is the war of the end of this world and to start a new world. A new world where we will work on our inner selves in front of Hashem, and then we will experience all Titanak ad Hashem. And this explains to us the description in the last chapter of the great prophet Isaiah. In one of the last chapters, 66, verse 8. Who has heard of such a thing? Who has seen such things? Shall the earth be made to bring forth in one day? Or shall a nation be born in one moment? For as soon as Zion travailed, she brought forth her children. Shall I bring to the birth and not cause to bring forth? Says Hashem, the Lord. Or shall I, who cause to bring forth life, thereupon shut the womb, says your God? And then he continues, rejoice with Yerushalayim, and be glad with her, all of you that love her. Rejoice for joy with her, all you that did mourn for her, that you may suck and be satisfied with the breast of her consolations, that you may drink deeply and be delighted with the abundance of her glory. This is how to transform the Nega Tzarat into Oneg, into the gracious joy of life. Represent all Titanak al Hashem. Then your whole joy will be to live in this world with Hashem in Gan Eden. So may this, to conclude, the Hashkivenu we say every night, we say that Hashem Eloheinu Oyev, Teva, V'cherev, V'rahav, V'yagon. V'oseh Satan milfaneinu ma'achareinu. What's the connection? Because the Tzoras is the power of the Satan. And in the shade of your wings, which are so protective, Hashem, hide us and protect us, because you are our God, and you are the one who saved us. And preserve all that we do, going in and going out. Whatever we do should be l'chaim u'l'shalom me'atav ad olam. Life and peace for now and forever. Amen.
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 Amen. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much, Rosh Yeshiva. It's a pleasure to hear you.
Thank you so much.
Does Yeshiva hear me?